I guess what I'd have to say, and if I have 1 minute here, I just can't visualize growing up as a farm boy in a small farm down in Kansas prairies, and having all the experiences and the wonderful family that we have. You know, I'm so lucky.
Well, just enjoy the journey together.
And
enjoy each other
and,
as you live and serve the Lord.
and you're all doing a great job with your kids. We don't have any suggestions.
You're doing a great job, better than we did.
Yeah. It's been a wonderful life.
And I would say amen to that.